Alright guys, Matt back at you live. So we basically took off the one sidewall here with a couple flat screwdrivers, pried our way around to take this bead off, slid the tube in, filled her up with 12 psi. She's solid and good to go. We're going to throw her back on the Craftsman. Now we should be good. I bought 2 of them, but the other side's not leaking. So thought is, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? So just put our cap on, and that's that. Got herself a nice and solid tire for our tractor. Pretty easy. Slide it back over the shaft here with the keyway, and then you just basically put in the washer, pop the clip ring back in right here like so. Once the wheel's on, put this little dust cover back on, and we're back in business. Thanks for watching, guys.